Hey y'all, Tiffany here with the Beetles all-in-one manicure kit. This is the 55 color gel nail kit, and I'm gonna show you exactly what comes with this. I am so excited to show you. Okay, so first up, you have your UV light, and this is a USB charge. So it just plugs into any USB that you have at home. And this is a 60-second cure. Next, you have 5 nail files. These are going to be your rough grit files and then your buffer files. Next, you have 2 nail brushes. One is for fine art detail, and then the other is a longer one, which would be great for making lines on your nails or adjusting builder gel if you use builder gel. Also comes with a cuticle pusher as well as tongs to pick up any jewels or decals for your nail, toe separators, and a nail brush to clean underneath those nails. Comes with these aluminum foil wraps that already have a cotton pad on it so you can take off your gel nail polish. Some decals for doing nail art and French tips. Also some foil strips and some really pretty nail decals, both in gold and silver. 2 different colors of rhinestones, red and silver. A small nail cutter. You have your base gel foundation, which is your base coat, and 3 different types of top coat. You have your matte, your regular gel, and glitter top gel. And then you have 55 colors. There is literally every hue of color in this box. The containers are on the smaller side. However, you can get quite a few manicures out of one container. And so if you have 55 colors, this set is literally going to last you forever.